Hello, 大家好. I'm Abby. Yes. Today, what we are going to learn. Last video, we had learned transportation. So today, we are going to learn what? Yes, you see it already. Take a taxi, right? Yes. Today, our topic is take a taxi. How to take a taxi, okay? Yes. Before we start the class, don't forget, if you like my video, click the button under subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you. So let's restart. Take a taxi. How to say it in Chinese? 打车. Yes, 打车. Why is 打车? Yes, when you take a taxi, you will shake your hand like this, right? Like this. So it means that you call taxi. So it means 打车. Yes, 打车. Remember? Yes, whenever you say, I want to take a taxi, okay, I go to 打车. Perfect. So, what is the relevant vocabularies? Yes, the first one is very important one. Which one? Yes, taxi driver. How to say taxi driver in Chinese? Of course, 出租车. Remember, taxi is 出租车. Driver is 司机. 出租车司机. Wow, 5 words, so much. Can you remember it? Maybe, but maybe not, right? So I will teach you a short form. How to say it? The very common. If you call the taxi driver, we don't call 出租车司机. We call them 师傅. 师傅. Yes, it means that the master worker. Okay, 师傅. Yes. Let me see. Yes, 师傅. Yes, 师傅. It means master workers. Okay, say 师傅. Yes, perfect. Okay, so what the next is the time. So why we take a taxi? Because the time, right? Most of the time because the time. Yes, how say time in Chinese? We did learn it. Now we review it again. Okay? Yes. 时间. Yes, 时间. Time. Yes, remember. So how say the stop? You say last time I remember the stop that we have to learn. A stop and the station is mean 站. Yes, you get it. So it means that you did watching my videos very carefully. But the stop over here is different meaning, right? The same as English. They have 2 meanings. How about this meaning? Over here, it means that I have to stop here. It means stop. So how to say it in Chinese? Yes, 停. Yes, stop is 停. You are walking and then say stop. Okay, it have to stop. It means 停. Yes, 停. Yes, it means stop. So, and when we take the taxi or even we drive a car, what things that make us feel headache? Headache. What things? Yes, traffic jam. How to say traffic jam in China, especially in Beijing? There are lots of traffic jams. You have to remember it by heart, every time when you do have a conversation with your friend to complain about the Chinese traffic jam, to complain about Chinese Beijing traffic jam. How to say it? Yes, it is. 堵车. 堵车. 堵, it means that can't get out. 堵车, right? 车 is mean the car, right? So many cars come together. So it means that 堵车. Remember, this one is very common word in Beijing if you want to live here or if you want to travel here, right? Yes, 堵车. Perfect. So when you see the taxi driver, you can say 师傅, right? 师傅. Yes, time. 时间. Yes, stop. 停. Yes, traffic jam. 堵车. Yes, 堵车. Perfect. Then, what is the next? Why we have to take taxi? Because that we are in hurry. Most of the time, for me, if I take a taxi, because I'm in hurry. So, how to say in a hurry in Chinese? 赶时间, right? 赶时间. It means that I'm running with the time. Yes, 赶时间. Yes, 赶时间. Or why we run with time? Because we lack of time, right? So we have to require the taxi driver drive fast. of course, that is incorrect. We shouldn't do that. But we want to fast. How to say it fast? 快, 快, yes. So, the same as 快 will be slow, right? So, opposite of fast will be slow. How to say slow in Chinese? Now we can see the word 快. There are two parts, right? Here, this means the heart. Here, it means the pronunciation, right? Two parts. So you can think of the letter, the characters of slow. They have one thing are same. You can guess this part the same or this part. Yes? Yes. Now I will make an answer for you. Yes, you see, these two parts are same. They call man. Man. Yes. So you see, these two characters. This part is the same, right? This one is also called man. So this one make the pronunciation. So it's a man. This is 快. So when you remember these two words, we remember the part first. And then you can remember these two words, right? Yes, when we learn Chinese characters, one more time, we don't learn so fast. We learn some easy, simple characters first, and then remember it by heart. Perhaps that easy and simple characters will be a part of another word. So day by day, and then you will learn almost Chinese characters. Okay? Perfect. So when on the road, what we see, yes, except car, of course, traffic light, right? Traffic light. Do you know how to say traffic light in Chinese? It's very, very simple. Yes, traffic light, 红绿灯. Remember, we do have learn colors, right? 红 is means red, 绿 is means green, 灯 means light, right? So because that every country, their traffic light will be stop, will be red, and green will go, right? So they call 红绿灯. Yes, perfect. So we remember the word by some pictures or use some easy way to remember it, right? By the picture or by the pronunciation or by some way that you are familiar with. And then you will learn the language very fast. Okay? Let me repeat one more time. 赶时间 yes. 快慢红绿灯 yes. Now we already learned some general vocabularies that within take a taxi. So we will practice those in a sentence. Okay? Yeah. What this? Hi. I want to go to train station. Yes. So what do I say? Hi. 你好. Yes. 你好. And how do you call the taxi driver? Yes. 你好, 师傅. Yes. 你好, 师傅. Yes. 我要去. Do you remember the train station? Yes. 火车站, right? Yes. 师傅, 你好, 师傅. 我要去火车站. Perfect. Do you still remember how to write the Chinese characters 火车站? Yeah, I will tell you. 你好, right? It's 你好. This word we always use, so you have to remember it. And I can help you. 你, right? This is the human, right? This is 耳, right? Before, long time ago, 耳 means you. But now they come together, so it's 你好. 好. This part is mean girl. This part is mean son. So in Chinese mind, one daughter, one son is mean very good. So they will say 好, right? 你好, yes. 师傅, right? 我要去火车站. Yes, perfect. 火车站. We had learned last video, right? Yes. 你好, 师傅. 我要去火车站. Yes. So the next questions, right? You have to ask, how long will you arrive, right? Yes. How long will we arrive? How to say it? We is 我们大概 is about, you know. 我们大概多久 is mean how long. Arrived is 到 just one word, very simple, right? 我们大概多久到 is mean how long will we arrive? 我们大概多久到 Yes, perfect. So, what is the Chinese characters? Wow. 我们 remember 我们 yes 我们大概多久到我们大概多久到 Yes, perfect. So let me review one more time. 你好，师傅，我要去火车站。我们大概多久到 Yes, very good. So what is the next? Next is Hello, sir. Please be fast. I am in hurry. Yes. How to say it? Sir or master worker. How to say it? Yes. 师傅 right? 师傅，请快点儿。It means that be fast, right? 我赶时间。Yes. How to write the Chinese characters? Here. 师傅，请快点儿，我赶时间。Yes, it means that I'm in a hurry, right? 师傅，请快点儿，快点儿 means faster. 请快点儿，我赶时间。Yes, very good. What is the next? Yes, of course, that cannot be fast. That is incorrect. We can't do that, right? Because we have to take ourselves safe first. Yes. So most of the time, why it can't be fast? Because there's a traffic jam, right? Yes. So there is a traffic jam. Shall we go by another way? Yes. There are many ways. Go to Roma. Yes, there is some sentence like this, right? Yes. So there is many ways to arrive the place that we want to go, right? Yes, you are right. So how to say it in Chinese? 这儿堵车 right? Traffic jam is 堵车。这儿堵车，我们能走其他路吗？其他路 is mean another road. Okay, 走 is mean go. 我们能走其他路吗 ？See? Okay. 当当 Yes, those are Chinese characters. 这儿堵车 Yes, there is traffic jam. 这儿堵车 Yes, 我们能 is can, shall we? Yes. 我们能走其他路吗 Yes. 我们能走其他路吗 Yes. I speak fluently. Okay? 这儿堵车，我们能走其他路吗 Yes. Very good. So let me review twice, one more time. 师傅，请快点儿，我赶时间。这儿堵车，我们能走其他路吗？Yes. Perhaps that you think, so complicated. I can't. No, don't worry. This one is very easy. Just look like so many characters. But it's very simple. Practice more, especially when you are in the traffic jam. Remember what I say. The traffic jam. That is rush hour. You don't have anything to do. Just stay in the car, right? Just remember what we did learn in this video. Okay? Yes. So what is the next? The next is when you nearly arrived, right? It is nearby. Can you stop here? You will take, it's nearby. Now it's traffic jam. I don't want you take me there. I can walk there, right? So it is nearby. Can you stop here? How to say it? 就在附近了。附近 is mean nearby. 附近 right? 就在附近了。你能停这儿吗 ？Is stop. Is 停这儿 is here, right? 就在附近啦，你能停这儿吗 ？Yes. Let me see the Chinese characters, okay? 就在附近 is mean nearby. 你能停 is mean stop. 这儿吗？就在附近啦，你能停这儿吗 ？Yes, it is, right? Remember. And there is another sentence that you can say. What is that? I am arrived. Please stop here. Thanks. I am arrived. Arrived. You remember what I say arrived? Yes, 到 right? 我到了 It means I am arrived. 请停这儿吧 right? Here is 这儿请停这儿吧谢谢 right? Yes. How say the Chinese characters? 我到了请停这儿吧谢谢 See, this is two sentences that you can say. Okay? First one, 就在附近啦，你能停这儿吗 Yes. Or 我到了，请停这儿吧，谢谢 Yes, perfect. 谢谢 Yes, what am I going to say? This is general and common conversation and sentences when you take a car, when you take a taxi. Yes, perfect. So please practice this one at home or when you take a taxi, when you are in the traffic jam, and you will remember it. Trust me. So, thanks for watching my videos. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell. Thank you. Bye bye.